I will make it easy for beginners to understand. Make the arrangement 1.5 times higher than flower arrangement vase. Sharpen stem for easy insertion. First, use the greens to create vase for the arrangement. Start from center and insert 4 stems in each corners, making a triangle. Imagine a dome shape. Remove as much leaves to avoid yellow leaves. From top, should have 3 stems to form a triangle. Gradually add more stems from top to bottom, forming a dome shape. Add additional colors in triangular formation. When inserting, try to hold the stem instead of flower. Add leaves and fruits to create a seasonal arrangement. Adding greens as an adjustment makes it look cute. Fill in the bottom and gaps. That's it. Thank you for watching video.